Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session I would like to explain how to create a dynamic door block with flip action so that we can use that door block as left sweep or right sweep door block. So let us see how to do that one. First of all, let us create a door block like this, and we have insertion point over here. Now I want to add dynamic action to this door block. So to do that one, select the block, right click and take block editor option. Now let us add a flip parameter to this door block. So let's go to parameters and take flip parameter. Now it is asking base point of reflection line. This reflection line is nothing but a mirror line in the mid of this door block, so that this door will be mirrored based on that reflection line. So to pick the middle point over here between these two jambs, I am going to use an option like this. Right click over here, take OSnap overrides and pick mid between 2 points, and my middle point is between these two middles. So I am picking these two middles. So I have got this middle point. Now we need to give another point so that our mirror line or reflection line will be vertical like this. So I am clicking over here. So with that, our reflection line points are finished. Now it is asking the location of the label. So I am clicking over here. So with that, our parameter placing has been completed. Now this exclamation symbol shows that there is no action with this parameter. So we need to add that action. Go to actions and take flip action, and it is asking select parameter to which you would like to add this action. So I am selecting flip state 1, this one. Now it is asking select objects which are to be flipped. So I am selecting these two because these two are going to be, means like this line and arc, they are going to be flipped left to right and right to left. So selection has been completed, and finish the selection by pressing enter. So with that, our flip action has been completed. Let us see how does it work. Close this block editor and save the changes. Now if you select this block, you will get a flip action button over here in the mid of these two jambs. If you click this arrow, the sweep direction changes. So again, if you click this one, it will change left to right and right to left. So like that, we can use the same block as two blocks. Let us see another additional flip action which will be very useful. That is nothing but flipping this door block like this to the bottom side. So let us see how to do that one. Again, select the block, right click and take the block editor option. Now again we need to add another flip parameter and flip action. So go to parameters and take flip. Now our reflection line will be horizontal. So I am going to pick 2 points like this. Here one middle point and another middle point over here. And the state 2, that is I am placing over here at this place. Now we need to add action to this flip state. So again go to actions, take the flip action and select the parameter, that is flip state 2. Now the objects to be flipped. So again the same objects only. So these two will be flipped downside. So selection done, press enter to finish, and the second parameter flip and second flip action are added to this block. Let us see how does it work. Again close this block editor, save the changes. Now if you select the same block, you will have another flip over here. If you click on this arrow, the door will be flipped to downside, and again if you click on the same arrow, the door will be on upside. Similarly, if you click on the middle arrow, the door sweep will change from left to right, and again if you click on that, it will change from right to left. So the same block can be used like 4 different blocks. So friends, like this we can use flip action on door blocks very effectively and very usefully. So hope you understood how to use flip action in dynamic blocks. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends, and keep watching my channel for more dynamic blocks with different actions. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.